Turn your stories into a music festival. Use the Add Your Music sticker and let everyone join playlists within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use Add Your Music stickers on Instagram story. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Open the Instagram on your device. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner to access your story camera. Now swipe up to upload an existing photo or video from your gallery. Once you have your content ready, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. In the sticker menu, tap on the Add Your Music and tap on the Add Music option. And browse through your Instagram music library to find the song you want to use for your story. Once you have found the song, tap Done, and the song will appear on your story. Once you are happy with your story, choose your story option to post it. So this is how to use Add Your Music sticker on Instagram stories. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.